How to see when someone was last active on Snapchat. So if you want to see when someone was last active on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Go with your chats, which is on the bottom left. And here, you just need to simply choose a person or search for a person. So for example, I've searched for this person, right? So here you can see that under that person's search or below that person's name, you will have 15 minutes ago, which means that person was last active 15 minutes ago. You can also go with their profile, and once you go with their profile, you might have a green color icon which is on the profile. So if you have the green color dot on their profile, that means they are active now. But if you don't have that, then it will just say 15 minutes ago or 30 minutes ago, like that. So in this way, you'll be able to know when was the last time the person was active on Snapchat. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.